Hey guys, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and this week I wanted to show you a way you can do a cross crawl and strengthen your obliques at the same time. This is just a pretty neat movement that has a lot of value to it beyond strengthening the obliques. But in case you've ever wanted strong obliques, here's a neat, simple way to get there. So what we're gonna do, get on all fours, and we're gonna take our opposite hand and we're gonna touch our opposite knee, but the way we're gonna do it is we're gonna look over our shoulder and bring the foot out. Like we're gonna lift the leg externally to so we can look at our foot and touch. So we're trying to take our torso and rotate it towards that leg with that leg just a little bit out. So it looks like this. And when you touch here, when you rotate over, you're using all these muscles to hold that position for you. And you're gonna find them, you're gonna feel it. So on the other side, it's here. So notice the leg comes out a little bit so I can see my toes. Hey guys. Hi, how you doing, Tim? And you just do it back and forth. And what you'll discover after just a few of these is, oh my gosh, I got muscles that are like asking me, why are you doing this to me? A great way to turn on some good reflexive strength in your center. Also, it's good for your shoulders and your neck and your spine, because look, we're rotating around. This shoulder is holding my body up, and just reflexively, because I'm on opposite lens, just everywhere a lot of good stuff's happening. Touching here with my neck gets good rotation. Good rotation. Fantastic way to do a lot of beautiful, wonderful things in your body. We're crossing midline, touching the opposite knee, lighten up both hemispheres of the brain, making the brain more efficient at talking to itself, making the body more efficient at moving. We're turning on all those stabilizers in our shoulders and our hips, our center, and we're activating, because we're rotating, we're really activating the obliques. You'll feel it and you'll like it, or else. So give that a shot. Let me know what you think. I'm Tim. This is Original Strength, and we'll see you next time.
To learn more, consider attending an Original Strength workshop. Visit originalstrength.net.